Welcome to the kitchen for another quick and easy meal. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as I can because if you're trying to make a quick meal, you don't have a lot of time to watch a lot of tape. So let me tell you how quick and simple this beef casserole is going to be, and the kids will love it. Alright, let's go over the ingredients. You can be as healthy as you want to be. We're going to get beef, no antibiotics, no added hormones. Get whatever kind of meat you want. Canned beans, any kind of beans you want. We are using grilling beans, smokehouse tradition. Then the onions, same thing, any kind of onion you want. This time we're going with yellow, although I usually like red onions. Now, to make the onions, we're going to dice an onion about this size. We're going to dice it up. And if you're good with the knife, you can do it that way. If you're not good with the knife, or you don't want your eyes to water, you can buy this little contraption for about $7 at Walmart. Slice the onions into something like that and just put it in here. The little squares will dice it for you. You do that and you got your diced onions. Alright, so now all we had to do is put the hamburger in the pot, mix the onions in with it. Once it gets brown, we'll put in the beans. See you over at the stove. We just put the beef in here and we're just gonna get it brown. And at the same time, we're going to put the chopped onions in and let that brown with it. Let this all get brown before we add the beans. Now, before you add the beans, you'll drain it. If you didn't get lean meat, it's gonna need drained. If you got kind of fat beef. But if you get lean meat, you won't have really any juice to drain. So we'll let this cook and get brown about 5 or 10 minutes on medium heat. Then we'll add the beans and we're almost done. Okay, now that you got the hamburger and the onions pretty much cooked, kitchen smelling excellent. You see there is some juice, even though this is lean meat. You may still want to drain it, so we will go ahead and drain it. We'll use the strainer and drain the juice. Then we'll put it back into the pot and add the beans. Okay, so what we did was we drained the hamburger and the onions from the pan and we drained it into a cast iron skillet. Doesn't have to be a cast iron skillet, but you know I love my cast iron skillet, so I use it whenever I can. And I'd rather make this casserole in the deeper dish. So that's the juice that we drained out. And now that's the hamburger before we add the beans. Okay, now we will add your favorite can of beans to the hamburger, like so. Get out of there. And we'll just get that all stirred up. Now you can serve this in a bowl or on a plate. I am going to serve it on a plate. I think it's better, but this is one thing that you can cook up really quick. 3 ingredients: beans, onions, and hamburger. Okay, here's the finished product in less than 30 minutes, including prep time. And if you got kids, little kids, they will love this. It doesn't look like much, but it's fantastic. If it was socially acceptable, I'd eat the whole pot right now by myself. I also made another short video with the side to go along with this, and I didn't want to make it added to this video so it won't be too long. So if you want a side, create the side. It's another short quick video and you can check that out. But right now, I gotta check this out. It can't be legal to have something that good that fast, but it is. It was great, and it's even better with cornbread, butter, and a little quick side. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meal channel. I hope you enjoyed today's meal. Have a great and safe week.